In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add indicators on Tradingview. Adding indicators on Tradingview is actually a very quick and simple thing to do. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So I've got the Bitcoin chart up here, and let's just say we wanted to add a few indicators onto this chart. We can actually go up to the top where there's all these options, and as you can see right here, it does actually say indicators. So if we click on that, that'll bring up this list of all the indicators that are actually on Tradingview. So they actually have indicators as well as strategies, profiles, patterns, so you can really get everything you need from this section right here. But since we're trying to add indicators, I'm going to go into the indicators tab, and from here we can see all of the indicators available. So we can either scroll through this list and look for something that we need, or we can just type it in right here. So if we needed an MA cross, for example, we could type that in, and as you can see, it's now been added to the chart. If we need to add any more, we can go back to the same section we were on, and we can simply just click to add another one. Now, if you're just on a basic plan, it does limit you to using 2, but I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and that will enable you to get a free trial with Tradingview so that you can try it out and test out all these features that aren't available for the basic plan. Other than that, I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.